Hello guys again with a new video from out of box. So in this video I hope to show you clearly how to make a perfect takeoff with Infinity Flight simulator for Android and the iOS from the latest version, which is global version. So first of all, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data because this game needs internet. So we have to just press on the icon and wait it to load. Okay, so because I didn't yet do the subscription, so I am flying with the flight solo, but you can make a subscription and fly online, and you can also be like air traffic control, but here I'm going to choose the flight solo. Okay, I press here to choose your airplane or aircraft. I prefer all the time flying with Boeing 777. And here is the global. This is the global map. You can choose any airport you need. Just once you zoom like this, zoom until you find the runway like this one, and just when you tap on the edge of the runway, you are placing your airplane. Now tap OK and tap fly. Okay, here you have to tap on the screen after making your phone and stabilize. You have to stabilize your phone, and after that tap on any spot on the screen. So when the game plays your plane on the ground on the runway, just first of all press the brakes, because the engines is working on 20%, and 20% of power is really enough to pull the airplane. Okay, now open the system and turn off the landing lights and the navigation lights, and press on no smoking and the seat belts again to just make the passengers hear the tone. Okay, after that, just you have to make your flaps on 5 degrees and touch on the heading HDG, because while pulling the plane and on the takeoff you have the airplane walk in a straight line, and press on the altitude. This is a different way of taking off, you will notice it. Okay, now you have to set your altitude. For first you have to make it about 5,000 feet or 6,000 feet, it doesn't matter. Okay, after all we have to start by putting your thrust on 50% and remove brakes. Now 80%. Now make your thrust on 100%. And once your velocity become beyond 180, you have to touch your vertical speed, the VS, and start making it rise like this, and your airplane will start climbing, as you notice. Start climbing. Now you can turn off the gears. You can increase your climbing rate and your vertical speed about 5,000. And here you have to click on the speed, because it will give you the alert of overspeed, and you will catch headache. Now make the flaps on 0. And now start climbing to go to the specific altitude. And you can make increasing of your altitude to 330,000 feet. It depends on your flight plan, but the most common is 3,000 feet, 30,000 feet. And your airplane will continue climbing. And here we have the end. We reached the end of our video. And please, if you like this video and please don't forget to hit subscribe button and give the thumbs up. And if you don't know where to get the game, so just press on the tab that appears now, and you will go to the video to know how to download free and fair to fly to the global version. Thank you so much.